In front of me is Honor 70 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off high performance mode. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down just a bit to access Battery section. Then click on the switcher next to Performance mode in order to activate it. As you can see, the switcher turned blue. That means that high performance is enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on the same switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!